see Mr. Watchmaker?
Goodbye.
What do you want?
Sorry, I'm Mr. Burt from the Ministry of Federal Taxation.
Oh, why didn't you say so in the first place? Oh, you're a tall drink of water? Yeah, to what do we owe your loftiness?
Right. Sorry, I really didn't expect three dwarves to walk out.
Dwarves? We ain't no dwarves. We happen to be gnomes. Except for him, of course, who's a troll. Yeah, you want to make some noise? You want to come away? I'll take it,
Maybe I have the wrong address. I'm looking for Mr. Watchmaker. It's important. There seem to have been some irregularities.
Yeah, pretty regular, actually. Yeah, he's fine.
No, but these are very severe discrepancies we're talking about here.
Yeah, I got discrepancies. My whole life has been a discrepancy.
It is imperative that I see Mr. Watchmaker so that I can collect all of his receipts.
Ah, the receipts! There's receipts are right down there. Yeah, can't you see the sign?
You actually have a sign that says receipts.
Yeah, you'll be fine.
You know, I got nothing out of this exchange.
Have a nice day. Oh, have a nice life. What a world.
Hey, smoke?
Drink?
Oh, anyways, I says here. Ooh. Oh, that is so hot.
Shake it, George. Shake it. Go away.
Can't you see the sign?
Just go away. You stop.
What the hell? Are you still here?
Why did you get lost?
Yeah, what's up, Mr. Man from Uncle? Yeah, that's it.
Oh, yeah.
Well, this has all been nourishing. Good luck, kid.
I got this! I'll for a doctor!
Gnomes.
Thank you.